under the rain in Msonge Organic Family Farm here in Zanzibar, and we just built this little trench here that it's capturing the rainwater, and we'll go quickly. I'm gonna try not to slip, it's all wet and slippery, but this is what we built yesterday. Some of the coconuts are not holding because they're just put there, but that wasn't firm enough, so because of this big rain they're just gonna have to be planted again. And here we get to the first, this is the nursery, not much happening right now. Right behind the nursery we have a very big, it goes all the way over there, big dump site, carbon dump, and so this is full now and we keep on going. The first banana circle, which we just planted yesterday with some taros, you can see here taros, and this is a pink banana, very tall, very big banana, like, I don't know if you can see, like the one that's way in the back here in the coconut circle. And we're just about to have this overflow onto the next one that is now filled with water from the garden, which we're gonna change a little bit this design. And then here we'll be planting pomegranate, then going on to this circle with the banana, pink banana again, and then out with 2 pomegranate most likely, and then out onto this swale now. That is catching water from inside the house because it's a courtyard, so there's water running inside the house. So this is coming here, plus all the water coming from this area here where the guys over there are prepping for the weekly baskets that they do here at the farm at Msonge Organic Family Farm. And splish splash, I'm in the swale that is full. Good thing I got my gum boots all the way through Burkina Faso just for this, because it's lovely to be able to have dry feet working here in wet tropics. And this is the very first coconut. I'm gonna climb on the mound here. Coconut circle, very large circle, so you can see the coconut trees on the side. This one is already grown, and we planted a total of 11 coconuts around here with taro and this pink banana that I was telling you about, just been harvested today for the baskets. And this circle is full. And sorry for the shaky. Back in the swale. I'll walk with you a little bit through this swale. The citrus we passed by. Everything has been raining for 3 hours now, and the whole system is full. Must be overflowing. We're not going to go all the way to the overflow because it goes through a fence here and out on the other side that you can see. If I go here, it keeps on going. And what we're working on in this phase, I'm going to show you quickly. I'll be posting more about it. It's just above, in a very large area where not much is happening but grazing. We're pulling a very long swale, 150 meters, and like you can see this morning, it is already full. So maybe 1/4 of it, and all those sticks that you see here, and over there again, they're all representing the 5 coconut circles that we're going to put. So 11 coconut per circle, that's 55 coconut on this well, 150 meters well. And the reason why there is nothing dug here is because I'm waiting for next week for the students. I'm going to be teaching a course, practical permaculture course, so we'll be finding the leftover of the swale and the overflow. So in between this part of the swale and this one just behind me, and like you can see, it's overflowing here. We didn't finish the job, obviously. We started yesterday, and now everything is full. There's a lot of water coming down from up there. Those are the bees from the farm, and all this is going to be grazing. It goes all the way very far in the back, so that's going to be a very nice line to separate a very large grazing area into two cells, and later on we can do gliricidia fencing or something like this to make it even smaller cells. They have 4 cows here, and the swale will keep on going here. Just to finish off with the swale, we'll keep on going here through the garden a little bit, all the way to the road where I started, to pick up runoff from the road a bit higher than the swale I started with at the beginning of this video. So a lot of fun here in Zanzibar. I'm here for 3 weeks, 2 weeks of work and 1 week of teaching in between. It's going to be a lot of fun. It is already a lot of fun. Alright, until next time, have a good one.